Hello everyone. Today I will tell you why is my Hisense Roku TV blinking red light. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. If you use your TV for streaming, NordVPN can help you unlock more shows and channels from different countries while keeping your connection private. A blinking red light on a Hisense Roku TV usually means there is a power issue. This could be caused by a loose power cable, a faulty outlet, or a power supply problem inside the TV. First, unplug the TV from the power outlet and wait for about 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for 30 seconds to drain any leftover power. Then, plug the TV back in and turn it on. If the light is still blinking, try plugging the TV into a different wall outlet to rule out problems with the original outlet or power strip. Next, check the power cable for any visible damage. If you have a spare compatible cable, try using that to see if it fixes the problem. In some cases, a blinking red light can also happen after a failed update or software glitch. To fix this, unplug the TV again, then press and hold the reset button on the backer side of the TV with a paper clip for about 15 seconds. This will restart the system. If none of these steps work, the issue might be with the TV's internal power board, and you may need to contact Hisense support for repair. Once your TV is working again, consider setting it up with NordVPN through your home router. This way, you can watch more streaming content from around the world and keep your viewing habits private. Once again, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy more entertainment without restrictions.